There's so much fun we can have today. We can run, we can jump, we can laugh and play. Come on everybody, what do you say today? Come play with DJ.
Hi friends, let's learn shapes together in English and in Italian. Circle, cerchio, square, quadrato, rectangle, rettangolo, oval, ovale, diamond, rombo, pentagon, pentagonal, hexagon, hexagonal, heptagon, epitagonal, octagon, octagonal, nonagon, ennogonal, decagon, decagonal, trapezoid, trapezial, parallelogram, parallelogramma, star, stella, heart, quoret, crescent, mezzaluna, cross, crochet, sphere, sphera, cube, cubo. We learned so many shapes today. See you next time.
Come play with DJ.